Hi everyone, I thought I'd just do a quick catch-up video, see how everyone's doing. It's pretty quiet all on the old 322 date so far, isn't it? Biggest news so far is really the doodle for Google today. Blatant tsunami styling, a lot of people thinking of tsunami referencing, but of course it's the fallout bit as well, the radioactive connection. She was the first person to do the test for carbon dioxide, seawater, and linking it, with the radioactive connection from fallout, so nuclear and waves and tsunami. It's obviously the feminist thing because of the March and Sacred Female Ritual Month. And it wasn't really much going on yesterday either with the 321. So it seems strange that all those number date connections had those clear patterns, when all that really happened was this bomber that had been doing the rounds, dropping off his parcels, and suddenly they decided to check a bit of CCTV, and we know who it is, even though he's got a disguise. We know it's definitely this Martin Anthony Condit, and he self-detonated himself on the 321 bomb day. But yeah, not really huge styly. This was a fire in Dublin in a hotel. That's another tower in Inferno. On the 13th floor. Just see that 13th floor. This made me smile a little bit. The 555 people talking about it on that bit that they've chose to use that. And also that bit, not a Grenfell type fire, as in they didn't go the whole hog and have fake deaths on this one. It was completely empty apparently. So how on earth did it set on fire and destroy 5 floors? Who knows? Who cares really? But they're reporting on it. And then also I thought this was quite amusing as well, almost, because it was a 91 death. She's not quite the Queen, you know. You could argue she's got a bit of a royal thing going on there with her appearance. I'd never heard of her. Katie Boyle. But I think she died the day before, actually, and I was just picking up on that age, the 91. On that bit. But what I really wanted to just quickly do on this video is, again, I'm looking at tomorrow's date because of how it had that connection with yesterday's date in some of the number patterns with 9/11. So I just want to get to the right page. Here we go. So I'm looking at, again, the 9/11 date to tomorrow, which is the 233 date. So it's the 2, 3, and then 3. We said how it's on a Friday. When 233 is the 13th Fibonacci number. Let's see if I can just quickly find where I've got that. There. So 23rd of March, tomorrow is a Friday the 13th, definitely. Notice how that's some of the divisors, 2, 3, 4. And also 51st prime. So 51st prime is important for 233 because it's tomorrow's date. And just want to show on the date difference, since the super blue blood moon, January 31st of this year to tomorrow, 233, it's 51 days. Also that 123. See how it links in with yesterday, the 321 backwards. 1, 2, 3. But it's 51 days since the super blue blood moon, and moons are always important in these ritual false flag event style death things or whatever. The unexpected news that the class as this kind of thing. So it still has potential with tomorrow on 51 days since the super blue blood moon. 51st prime is the date as well, the 233 Friday, and it's the 13th Fibonacci. Now just going back to the 9/11 date then, to tomorrow, 323. Let me just get the right year in. Let's change that year. I'm doing well, I've not paused it yet. 001. There we go. Have I got that right? I think so, yeah. There we are, yeah. It's just updated. That was a bit strange. So I'm looking at really just that bit, the 6037, 6037 days. Okay, I might need to pause it now to find 6037. Okay, there we go. So 6037, 6037 days since 9/11 to tomorrow, and that's the 787th prime. The 787, of course, it's 7 plus 8 either side, 8 plus 7, which is 15. 15. And then, sorry, yeah, let me draw that again. So say you've got 787, 7 plus 8, 8 plus 7, 15, and then 15 again. Notice how 15 and 15 together either side is all sorts of variations of 51, 51, 51, and then there's a 51 there. So backwards 51, 51, and then a 51 in the middle. So that's on that prime reflector, 787th. So then let's have a look at what 787 is, properties. That's also prime 138th. Notice as well the hex there, 313, big duo there as well. 138, that's Knights Templar 1308 year as well when I see that. But 13 times 8 is your message received. It's the 10-4. 10 times 8 is 8, 3 times 8 is 24, 80 plus 24. 10-4 again, message received. So yeah, 138th prime on 787. 787 was the prime from 6037, and that's how many days it is since 9/11 to tomorrow. Which is, yeah, the 37% moon. And I just want to show 37% on tomorrow's date as well. Oh, sorry, there we go. It has got numerology for 37, the date 3 plus the 23, and then the individual for the year 37. So hope that all makes sense. Take care everyone. Cheers.